आई थिंक यार तो इतनी सारी फ़िल्में जब मैंने की हैं और इतनी ज़्यादा मुझे अब सफलता मिली है, तो थोड़ा सा मैंने ब्रेक लिया और मैंने स्क्रीन राइटिंग कोर्स किया न्यूयॉर्क में, और वो एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा। उसके साथ में अभी मैंने थोड़ा टाइम ऑफ लिया है, लेकिन मेरी 3-4 फ़िल्में अब एक साथ शुरू होंगी, एक साथ एज़ इन एक के बाद एक शुरू होंगी। तो इस तरह मैंने प्लान किया है कि मैं सब कुछ एक साथ में ना करूँ।
What's it like being in Vogue? What's it like?
बीइंग इन व्हाट?
Being in Vogue.
वर्क?
Yeah, Vogue.
Vogue.
Yeah.
Vogue, हर एक आई थिंक Vogue इज़ अ वेरी स्टाइलिश मैगज़ीन और इंटरनेशनल प्लेटफॉर्म है एक। तो अगर आप इंडिया से है, जैसे जब मेरे क्लासमेट्स ने न्यूयॉर्क में, उनको पता है कि एक्ट्रेस है ये वो, लेकिन जब उन्होंने मेरा Vogue कवर देखा, ये देखा, तो काफ़ी एक्साइटेड हो गए, क्योंकि Vogue एक इंटरनेशनल नेम है, एक ब्रांड है। तो इससे एसोसिएट होना अपने आप में एक बहुत अच्छी, बहुत ही प्रिविलेज्ड, प्रेस्टिजियस बात है।
संज्ञा, अगर हम बात करें आजकल सेलिब्रिटीज़ को काफ़ी संभाल कर बोलना होता है। सलमान ने रिसेंटली फोटोग्राफर्स के साथ जो प्रॉब्लम हुआ था, क्या आपको नहीं लगता सेलिब्रिटीज़ को भी थोड़ा रिस्पॉन्सिबल होना चाहिए अपने स्टेटमेंट?
बिल्कुल होना चाहिए, आई थिंक तभी मैं इतना रुक के करके बात कर रही हूँ, क्योंकि पता नहीं कौन सी बात किसको बुरी लग जाए। और ये अच्छा है कि सबकी भावनाओं का ख्याल रखा जाए, और कोई क्यों किसी अपनी लिमिट पार करे। और अगर आप सेलिब्रिटी हैं भी या आप नहीं भी हैं, तब भी आम जिंदगी में भी कोई किसी की भावनाओं को क्यों ठेस पहुँचाए। ओके, ब्यूटी टिप, हेल्दी खाना खाइए, उसी से ब्यूटी तो असली वही है। मेकअप लगा के या उससे तो ब्यूटी है नहीं सिर्फ, राइट? कुछ और फोटोज लेंगे, ठीक है।
Thank you. Thank you.
Excuse me, don't take pictures.
आपके राइट में
I'm wearing what I like to wear, pants. I'm wearing ASOS pants, Chanel bag and Kurt Geiger shoes. It's the best. There isn't anything better than being in Vogue. खूबसूरती की परिभाषा है कि you should be comfortable being who you are, and you should be I think giving joy to other people. That kind of person always looks beautiful. On the red carpet or on the ramp. I guess wear clothes that fit you and suit you. Don't try and be anybody else, because that doesn't really work. And have a lot of confidence. Even if you're going wrong, they'll think it's the latest fashion. Yes. एक्टर को तो नहीं करना चाहिए।
हमेशा होता है कि अगर फिल्म हिट होती है तो एक्टर को पूरे क्रेडिट दिए जाते हैं, लेकिन अगर फ्लॉप होती है तो डायरेक्टर के ऊपर पूरा ब्लेम डाल दिया जाता है। इस पर आप क्या कहते हैं?
Sure, जो ब्लेम लेने को रेडी हो वो ब्लेम ले ले. We are not ready to take the blame, so no film flops because of the actors. Thanks.
कैमरा कवर का पोज
cover I don't really know. I thought it was a beautiful concept. Atul was right here, and I thought it was executed really, really well. I think what's important is that you take the idea behind it, the ethos behind it, and it applies to women all over the world, really. What kind of beauty tips? I think whenever you leave the house, just leave with a beautiful smile. I think if your smile reaches your eyes, it just makes you look pretty.
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा क्या है आपकी?
खूबसूरती की परिभाषा ये है कि आई थिंक आप अगर खुद में विश्वास रखती हैं, आई थिंक कॉन्फिडेंस सबसे इम्पॉर्टेंट है खूबसूरत दिखने के लिए, एंड आई थिंक एवरीवन इज ब्यूटीफul if you just believe in something.
There have been many actors coming from Pakistan, like Fawad Khan and Umayma Malik. Since there has been a tiff between amongst the about the Pakistani singers, what do you think is the future?
I'm not Pakistani.
No.
Okay, no, I'm just to clarify, yeah.
General question.
Yes, just a general question, yes.
Yeah. What is the future of Pakistani actors in Bollywood?
Wow, I don't really know, yeah. I wish we knew answers to this situation, but I think, peace is very important. I think no matter where you're from, I think... yeah, you got that. Sorry, I just... No, I think peace is very important. I think no matter what part of the world you live in, I think every citizen, every human being has a right to grow up, to live in an environment which is peaceful and which allows for freedom. So that's my answer to it.
Small request, CNN Diamond channel is doing a movement on Independence Day, Clean Up India. So can you just look at the camera and say it in your words? For Independence Day, you have to clean the filth. Join us to clean the filth for Clean Up India.
So this Independence Day, help us join this movement, clean the filth. Yeah, all right, thank you.
अगर कोई फिल्म फ्लॉप होती है तो आपको लगता है कि किसे ब्लेम करना चाहिए?
खुद को ब्लेम करना चाहिए.
No,
what?
बट ऐसा होता है कि जब फिल्म हिट होती है, फिल्म अगर हिट होती है तो एक्टर पूरा क्रेडिट लेकर जाता है, बट अगर फ्लॉप होती है तो डायरेक्टर को ब्लेम किया जाता है.
बट पता नहीं, आई डोंट नो, फिल्म मतलब इट्स सच अ बिग टीम वर्क. आई थिंक अगर हिट हो या फ्लॉप हो, आई थिंक पूरा क्रेडिट सबको ही जाता है. बट आई वुड होप दैट सारी फिल्में अच्छा करें, बिकॉज बहुत मेहनत जाती है फिल्मों को बनाने में. सो whoever is part of it, I think everybody best of luck. One fashion statement I personally believe in: when in doubt, wear black. Thanks.
Can you take that in my phone? Can you take one with my phone? Mommy, come back. Mommy, come back. We come early so we can do this nonsense. Yeah, I would like to. Yes. I know I came so early. I'm like, I posed for half an hour. Thank you. Okay. Thank you so much. Hi. I know it sounds cliched, but inner radiance. I think it's sort of just being happy and waking up in the morning with a smile, exercising, being naturally beautiful and radiant, healthy hair, healthy nails, healthy teeth, healthy family, healthy relationships, all of that. Thank you. I'm wearing Demi by Gabriella. She's my best friend, and I actually was supposed to come for a fitting yesterday with the Vogue, and I didn't get the chance to, so I just wore one of her dresses. Is that what I've won? It feels amazing. It really, really feels amazing. And this year has been unbelievable. I have to save my acceptance speech for when I go inside. But I think the fact that it's called a breakthrough feels really flattering, because Queen has felt like that. It's felt like a breakthrough finally. So it just feels like a lot of patience has been rewarded. You're on the Vogue red carpet, how does it feel, when you're on the red carpet?
I love being on, so we're talking with the cameras near there. I love being on the Vogue red carpet. I think it's probably one of the most stylish red carpets in the world. I always look out for what everyone's wearing tonight, and for whoever's going to be here, and it's just elegant and stylish and graceful most of all. I think that grace is the one thing that sets Vogue apart from everything else.
what are your forthcoming projects like?
I've got a film called Shawkeen that's releasing in November. I just finished shooting for it. We shot for about a month and a half, and I just got back last week, and now I'm heading on a holiday. With my award, I'm catching a flight.
Lisa, much is talked about your physique in the film.
In which film?
Shawkeen.
My physique in Shawkeen. What has been said about it? I haven't read the papers.
You're not slim for this role.
Is that what it said? Oh, okay. I don't know about that because I think that I've weighed the same for about the last 10 years. So I do make an effort to keep fit for all my films or just for life in general. But I'm glad that they're saying things about my physique.
And one more question.
If it gives me more street cred, yes, I did work hard for this film.
Okay, one more question. It is off the event. Who do you think should be responsible if a film is flopped, according to you?
I don't know if there's any one particular person you can hold responsible for that, because if there was a formula to success in making films, then every film would be a hit. I think it's a collaborative effort, and I think there's a lot of it has to do with chemistry, how much fun everyone's having on set. And I guess the storyline, it's everyone, it's a collaborative effort, it's no one's particular fault, I don't think.
But many times it happens that the director is blamed for the film to be flopped. So what is your take on it?
I mean, the director is the man he's the captain of the ship, so ultimately he is the person that is answerable to everyone at the end of the day. But I mean, if someone gives a bad performance, the director doesn't step in and take responsibility for that. So then, you know, it's not everything is the director's fault and not everything is an actor's fault. I mean, you know, everyone has to pull their own weight. That's a very politically interesting question. Bye. Thank you. Thank you. What? Another one? No, there's more people like you. There's another person like you. You didn't get a good one? Oh, no, Thank you.